Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to lock your profile on Netflix. To lock your Netflix profile, open up your web browser and log into netflix.com. Once you are logged into your Netflix account, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and then click on Account. Now once you get to this account menu, go ahead and select Profiles from the left hand side menu. Scroll down and select your profile on which you want to lock, and then this will open up the profile settings page where you need to click on Profile Lock. After selecting Profile Lock, on the next page, enter your Netflix account's password in order to enable the lock feature. After typing in your password, click Continue. Now check on this little box where it says require a PIN to access the following profile, and a 4 digits box will appear right underneath. Enter the 4 digits PIN in the text box and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable Profile Lock on one of your profile on Netflix. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.